Hi guys, welcome back to my another English video. So today is day 11 of speaking English challenge for 21 days. So in this video we will talk about present tense. So as you watched my yesterday video, so in that video I was explained about past tense, how should you practice and what all things you should do. So guys, in this video I would like to talk about like when we want to learn tenses. So I think we should do these type of things and that can help us to improve in this language. So usually which all work we do in our daily basis in our life, it can be anything. So just try to narrate a story and try to narrate your day in your English diary. Like you can do journaling, which all people like do in these days. So you can narrate a story and a story, you can narrate your all day and just write down your English diary where you note everything in your notebook. So that can help you to improve your present tense, because present tense is all related your which all things you do in present time. So you can describe all things, so you don't need too much focus, especially in your present tense, because if you try to observe all things and which all work you do and try to learn something in your mind, because if our mind get habitual to speak English, so which all things we do in our life, so we try to know everything in English. Because if we don't know any meaning and which things in front of us, so if we don't know how should we explain about these things, so I think you should do this type of, you should uh, know about this thing and try to explain in your present tense. Like present tense is all about which all things you do in your present time. So like if I talk about my daily routine, so which all work I do, which all work I do in my life, so I should narrate in my diary and in my mind. So this can help you to in your present tense practice. So what should you do this type of practice? Like you should start your day since morning. So if I talk about my morning, so today I wake up in 6 o'clock and later then I do some exercise, and then I go in downstairs, and later then I wash my face and get fresh. And after that I have to make what can I say, I have to make uh, sorry, I can't recall this, I have to make breakfast. And then I do all household chores which we usually do in our house. And later then I get ready because I have to go somewhere for work purpose. So that is why I just get ready and go for my work purpose. So today is Sunday, so in Sunday I have so many work to do, so that is why I prefer to complete my work. Because usually I go everyday library, so that is why I can't focus much on my other work. So that is why I complete my whole work today. And later then I come back at home and I have to make dinner and all work which I do usually. So that's all my day. Because which all things we do in usually our daily basis, so you should describe like this. So yeah, if you talk about your present tense, so you should not narrate your day in past tense, because you are talking your present. So try to describe in your present tense, and that can help you to learn something about tenses, so we can master our tenses like this. So guys, if this video is going to help, so guys, you can do this type of practice. And if you have some more tips about learn tenses, so please share with me as well, because I am also learner, because that's why I took this challenge for learning this language. So why I took this challenge? So guys, the question is why I took this challenge, because of my improving process. Because yet I am not fluent and I need to much work upon my English. So that is why I want to. I want to inculcate so many things in my daily life and try to develop these skills as much as possible, because I need this skill. So that is why you should do practice like this. And if I have something more interesting topic in, if I do any mistake errand there, so please don't judge me, you can correct me, but I think we don't should judge anyone. But now I can say I'm improving day by day, and I can say confidence in my language and also in my body language. So that's all for today, and if you like this video, please keep support, do like, share, subscribe my channel for more. Until then, bye.